Right, good morning. A few of you have emailed me asking how the virtual classroom works. So I'm going to give you a very quick video tutorial just so you can make your way around the virtual classroom for maths. So in your class charts and in SharePoint, there is a link, and we click on that link and it will take us to what is a virtual PowerPoint. In the top right corner, we can find the word present. So if you click on the word present, and it will make it full screen for you. You should be able to view this using an iPad or a tablet or even your phone. If you're using a computer, it's best viewed in Chrome and not Explorer. All the resources are also on SharePoint, so if you don't get along with the virtual classroom, you can log in to SharePoint and access your work there. All right, so this week, Monday was the 22nd, so we're going to start with week 11, so it's this first door, and we're going to click on that door to open it like that. Okay, so it says week 11 on the whiteboard, 22nd of June. Have a look around. This week's work is in the filing cabinet. So everything on this page has a function. At the top, if you fancy doing a quick puzzle, you can click on the starter of the day and it will open up a puzzle. Corbett Maths, so we click on that one. We get the 5-a-day tasks that you've been set before. GCSE, and you can pick the day, so we go all the way down to the 23rd of June, which is today. And you would try either the numeracy one or the foundation one. Let's go back. SharePoint is linked in there. MathsWatch, if you've got a MathsWatch task, is there. Class charts, Hegarty Maths. It's just a really nice set of videos on YouTube to watch. The worksheets. There's a countdown game. Mr. Wood and my YouTube channels, which we've got a few videos on. You can click on the marbles or the cat and see what happens. If you click on this icon at the bottom, it should come up with an email to me if you've got any questions. It says this week's work is in the filing cabinet. So on the left, there are two tasks there, a core task for everybody and an extension chart task. So if you get the core task finished quickly and you want to challenge yourself a little bit, then you could try the extension task. So I'm going to click on core task and it will take me to the lesson. It says task 1, Corbett daily warm-up task. So we click on that icon and I've shown you how to access that already. Task 2, watch the video, pause and make notes when needed. So that's on the right hand side here. Let's have a go.
Hello and welcome to another video from Hegarty Maths. This is Mr. Hegarty here, and in this video we're going to find a percentage of an amount.
Okay, you can click on this icon here and make it full screen just like you normally would, or you could view it in that box where it is. And then task 3 says worksheet, answer the questions and send them to your teacher for marking. So we click on that book and the questions will open up. Now you don't have to print them out, you can just do them on a piece of paper, take a photograph with a mobile phone or a tablet, or scan it if you've got that function, and then email it to your teacher. The other thing you can do is not email it to your teacher and use class charts. So you can go back to the original task and you can attach the work you've done, either the photograph or the scan, or if you want to type the answers in a Word document, you could do that as well, and you send it back to your teacher for marking. Okay, if we click back on this link here, it says back to class with the home button. Takes us back to this page, and if you've got all that work done and it's a little bit later on in the week and you want to try something a little bit more challenging, you can click on the extension in the file and that will take you to a few more tasks on percentages. There's a challenge in that box if you're interested, another video, and again each separate task has the work linked to it. Okay, any questions, do please email me and I will give you a hand.